Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel testified before a congressional subcommittee today about the threat of domestic terrorism, which she called the most serious national security issues that we face. Political reporter Rick Albans at the live desk with more on her testimony.
Well, Brian, Nessel said Michigan was no stranger to domestic terrorism from the Michigan militia in the 90s, and what she said was a connection to Timothy McVeigh and Terry Nichols, the Oklahoma City bombing, to last year's plan to kidnap the governor. She said rooting out domestic terrorism takes cooperation of federal, state, and local law enforcement and prosecutors. She also pointed out that in Michigan there has been a sharp uptick in cases and people being charged.
Michigan has recently seen a deluge of threats to legislators, judges, and other government officials on both sides of the political aisle. In just the past 6 months, we have issued charges against individuals in 5 separate cases for threatening public officials, and that is honestly just the tip of the iceberg. We've been asked to review so many cases that my department had to establish a special procedure for complaint intake and add additional prosecutorial resources to handle complaint review.
The Attorney General's testimony was part of the House Homeland Security Subcommittee on Intelligence and Counterterrorism, looking into the issue of domestic terrorism following the January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol.